Hey guys, welcome to CHiRMs. I'm so excited for today's video. It's actually a craft supplies haul. I hope you all will enjoy it. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So this is everything from the two packages, and I have some paints, gesso, decoupage papers. This is white acrylic gesso. Its quantity is 100 ml. This is used for priming the canvases. I basically use it for priming my glass surfaces for bottle art. Its brand is Little Birdie, which is a home brand of Itsy Bitsy, and the pricing is rupees 175. I'm just waiting to try it on my products and will let you know. This is a tinted metallic paint and the color is golden glaze and its quantity is 50 ml, and again it's a Little Birdie product. Its pricing is rupees 140. I'm just going to open and check how the color is. Wow, that was unexpected for a small bottle like this. That's a very neat packaging. I'll surely be trying this paint in my future videos, so you can just get a glimpse of how the paint is. Now we'll try to unpack this cute little package which I am so in love with. Okay, this is a varnish with matte finish, and this is again from their home brand Little Birdie. The bottle's quantity is 100 ml and is priced at rupees 250. This is a one-step crackle medium and is from their home brand Little Birdie, and its quantity is 100 ml. It's priced at rupees 140. This actually creates a crackle effect on your paints. They have also given instructions on how to apply. These are Camel Artist acrylic colors. One is antique gold, another one is gold bronze. It's a 40 ml tube priced at 130 each. These are their famous chalk paints and I have got them in 5 colors. Each one is priced at rupees 150 and is 60 ml in quantity. Now these are jewelry wires and cords. I got them for making jewelry. The bracelet which I am wearing is also made from the materials got from Itsy Bitsy long ago. So please don't ask me for the links. So this is just a silver chain decorated with charms. I have already posted a video on this. I'll just link it down in the description below. Finally, we arrived to the decoupage napkins. I'll just quickly show you all the designs. This is a flower and butterfly print on a very light bluish background. I just love this pattern. This has a peacock design and a flower design on it. You can see that there are two colors of flowers on them. This is a bird and a flower background napkin. These are just bunches of roses, and I have cycle and flamingos. These are teapots and cupcakes. This is a hummingbird with flower background. This is just an abstract flower background. Look at these cute little roses. These are just Moroccan tile inspired patterns, and this is a caged pattern, and this is a cupcake design. These are just flowers on colorful backgrounds. This is a flower bunch, and that's it. So these are the newly introduced filament decoupage papers. I'll just show you one by one. This is a teapot patterned paper. This is a dream catcher one. So you can see that there are two sheets available in each pattern. So one is a bigger one and the other one is a smaller version of it. So this is a beautiful Buddha pattern paper. And look at these amazing and beautiful vintage car pattern. I am just so in love with them. And look at this cute little girl looking at an Eiffel Tower. This is just a window themed one. This is an Indian themed traditional elephant pattern. And yeah, this is also an elephant traditional pattern. These are decoupage papers. This has a slightly higher GSM than the ones I showed you before. Now you can see this also has two patterns. Actually, we have 4 sheets per pack, 2 per design. This is a fancy design, so we have 2 in this, and we have 2 in this design as well. This is a very pretty bird and cage design. There are cute little butterflies everywhere on the sheet. This is a vintage themed flower bouquet pattern. I'm not sure what it is, but I just love the vintage print on it. So these are cute little butterflies. So now we move on to the pattern papers which I have got. So these are basically used for card making, scrapbooking, etc. So we have 12 designs in this pack. Along with that, we have one pre-cut dollies and one journaling card. Another one is a fuzzy cut card. I'll just quickly show you all the papers available in this pack. So this is the fuzzy cut card I was talking about. Basically, fuzzy cut is nothing but cutting along the edges of the image. So you have an outline defined in this sheet so that it will be helpful for you to cut. The polka dot pattern paper. The next one is a lemon background paper. Okay, this one has sun, flower, butterflies. It's just multicolored. The backside of it is very smooth. Look at this beautiful tropical themed card. This is again a flower themed pattern paper. This is a tropical themed paper where you can write on it. This is a yellow background flower pattern. Now this one has all kinds of designs on it. I mean, you have flamingos, pineapples, candies, lemons. So these are the dollies. As you can see, they are already cut. You just have to take them out and use it for your projects. These are something like journaling cards. You can cut each one of them and use it however you want. You can just use them as a tag or a greeting card or anything. And that's it for today, guys. I think I have showed everything. If I have missed anything, I'll just put them in the description box, or I'll just add the subtitles as usual. So let's just meet again the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.